Okay, let's get this over with as fast as I could, as fast as I can. So you see, there is no light for the suspense. Suspense. I'm just disappointed of myself not being productive. It's been 3 weeks or so, almost a month. I didn't do anything. But anyway, let's do first the background. So body, background, and the color is this one. Then we'll create the first circle. So we have here 3 circles. First is the outer circle. Name this C1. So I just noticed, like lately we are just making circles. The challenge is all about circles, but different patterns of circles. So next off, we need to change the background, the color of this circle. So like that. And then put this in the middle. Position absolute, margin auto, and the position. This is colon, not the same colon. And then after the position and the margin, the sides. So all the sides, put them value of 0, bottom 0, and top, right 0. So in order to put this shape in the middle, so right now let's make this square circle. So create a radius 50%. Then make the circle bigger. So double the size. More, add some size here. Okay, 40. We will just play about this size. So I guess it's more bigger, so 30 probably. Okay, I think 30 is doing good. Yeah, right? So next is the C2, the middle circle. So let's just copy this C1, the outer circle. So name this C2. Then the color is this darker shade of the C1. So change this. Oops. Maybe this. So change this to that. Then the size. Let's reduce 50 pixel for now. Okay, let's reduce 60 pixel. Okay, seems good to me. Then let's create the third circle, the innermost circle. Let's just cut the distance here. So C3, copy the C2, paste here. Then the color is this dark shade. Then the size, let's also reduce 60 pixels. So like that. Okay. Oh, the light is back. It's not run out, you see. Just I'm not in the mood to turn on the light. So